A very good morning, dear children, and welcome back to the online teaching session conducted by Nawazbhai Tata English Medium School for Sanskrit. Today we are going to continue our chapter number 15, Jayah Parajayo Va, means victory or defeat. So let us move towards our today's session. Sapratyavadat aham asya देशस्य एकः सैनिकः. स means he, प्रत्यवदत replied, aham I am, asya देशस्य this country or of country, ekah सैनिकः a soldier. So the translation is, he replied, I am a soldier of this country. विगतेषु कतिपयेषु मासेषु बहुना देशानां परस्परं युद्धम् अभवत्. विगतेषु for the कतिपयेषु means past many, मासेषु months, बहुना many, देशानां countries, परस्परं with one another, युद्धम means war, अभवत् means war. So the translation is, for the past many months, many countries at war with one another. तत्र विविधानि शस्त्राणि प्रयुक्तानि. तत्र means there. विविधानि means many kind of शस्त्राणि, weapons, प्रयुक्तानि were used. So the translation is, many kinds of weapons were used there. तस्मात् कारणात् जलं स्थलं वायुः प्राणिनः इत्येवं बहुविधं जगत् विविधरूपेण प्रभावितमस्ति. तस्मात् कारणात् means because of it, जलं water, स्थलं land, वायु air, प्राणिनः living being, इत्येव बहुविधं many kind of जगत world, विविध रूपेण in various ways, प्रभावित अस्ति means having been affected. So the translation is, because of it many kinds of world such as water, land, air, living beings have been affected in various ways. किम ते कथयामि शस्त्रास्त्र निगतेः प्रदूषितेः सर्व वस्तुजातं प्रदूषितं विस्मयं च सज्जातं. किम means what showed. ते कथ्यामि means I tell you. शस्त्रास्त्र निगतेः means shot out from arms and missiles. प्रदूषिते pollutes सर्व all. वस्तुजातं the things. प्रदूषितं pollutes. विस्मयम poisonous च means and. सज्जातं means become. So the translation is, what should I tell you, all the things have been polluted and become poisonous by the pollutants shot out from arms and missiles. अस्य सरोवरस्य जलमपि एतस्मादेव कारणात् सगर्मस्ति. अस्य means this, सरोवरस्य lake, जल अपि water also, एतस्मादेव means due to, कारणात् this reason, सगर्मस्ति is poison. So the translation is, the water of this lake is also poison due to this reason. अत्रतयं जलं पीत्वा मदीया एषा स्थितिः सज्जाता. अत्रतयं means having or belonging to this place, jalam water, पीत्वा means drunk again and again, मदीया mine, एषा this, स्थितिः condition, सज्जाता means become. So the translation is, belonging to this place, this condition of mine is the result of having drunk the water that is here again and again. मदीयः पुत्रः इदमेव जलं पीत्वा विगतदृष्टिः गभीरे कूपे पतितो मृतश्च. मदीयः my पुत्रः son इदमेव means this jalam water pitwa drinking vigat drashti who lost his eyesight gabire a deep kupe means well patito means fell mrutasya means died. So the translation is my son who lost his eyesight as a result of drinking this water only fell into a deep well and died. मदीया भार्या विषमयस्य वायोः प्रभावेन निरुद्धश्वासा दिवंगता. मदीया means my भार्या wife विषमयस्य poisonous vayo gas प्रभावेन to the influence of niruddhaswasa means suffocated. Divangata means expired. So the translation is my wife due to the influence of poisonous gas suffocated and expired. प्रतिदिनं जलस्यास्य पानेन गत प्राणान् जीवान् पश्यन् भुक्तभोगः अहम अत्र स्थित्वा पशुपक्षी मानवान् अस्य जलपानात् वार्यामि. प्रतिदिनं means every day, jalasya means this water, panen drinking, gat pranan dying, jivan means the living being, pashyan seeing, bhukt bhogah means having suffered, aham atra means I here, sthitva staying, pashu pakshi manavan birds, beast and human being, asya this, jalpanat drinking the water, varyami means preventing from. So the translation is every day seeing the living beings dying by drinking this water, I who have suffered disuse the birds, beasts and human beings, preventing from drinking this water, staying here. अर्जुनः वृत्तान्तमेतं श्रुत्वा पुरातनस्य महाभारतविदस्य युद्धस्य परिणाम स्मृतिपथ आनयति. Arjun वृत्तान्तमेतं means the account, श्रुत्वा having heard, पुरातनस्य means the ancient war, महाभारत विदस्य means called Mahabharat, युद्धस्य war, परिणामम means the effect of, smruti path anyati means remembered. So the translation is having heard this account, Arjun remembered the effect of the ancient war called Mahabharat war. सविचार्यति यत् तदा बहुनां जनानां संहारः सज्जातः तेन च परिवारेषु आपदानां परंपरा प्रवर्तिता. स means he, vicharyati thought, yat that, tada at that time, bahunam means many, jananam person, samhar sajjatah means were killed. So the translation is he thought that at that time many persons were killed and on account of that series of calamities befall their families. परंतु जल वायु भूमयाकाशादयो महाभूतस्तथैव शुद्धः आसन. परंतु means but, जल water, vayu air, bhumya means earth, kashadayo means light and space or sky, mahabhutasthathev mahabhuta means the great elements such as tathev means as before, Shuddha Ashan means pure. The translation is but the great elements such as earth, water, air, light and space were pure as before. ते जीवानां कृते यथापूर्वम् उपयोगिनः अवासन. ते means they जीवानां living beings कृते for यथापूर्वम means as in the past. उपयोगिनः अवासन means were useful. So the translation is they were useful for the living beings as in the past. सम्प्रति यदहं पश्यामि तत् अधिकं शोचनीयमस्ति. सम्प्रति now यदहं means what I पश्यामि see. tat means is it. अधिकम more. शोचनीयमस्ति means lamentable. So the translation is now what I see is more lamentable. किमयम् अधुना प्रवर्तितः मानवस्य जयः अस्ति पराजयो वा. एवं सशोकः अर्जुनः अपितजलः एव गृहीतचित्तश्च पुनः स्वर्ग प्रत्यावर्तत. किमयम् means what is this. अधुना now. प्रवर्तितः means has taken place. मानवस्य is it means. जयः means victory. जयः अस्ति this victory. पराजयो वा means defeat. एवं thus सशोकः means distressed or sorry. Arjun अपीत जलम without drinking water. एवं गृहीत चिंतस्य means become worried. पुनः स्वर्ग प्रत्यावर्तत means return to the heaven. So the translation is what is this that has taken place. Is it man's victory or is this victory a defeat? Thus the distressed Arjun or sad Arjun returned to the heaven without drinking water, having become worried. So we learned that once Arjun, who was in the heaven, came to the mortal world with a desire to see the earth. Seeing it, Arjun also remembers the ancient victory in the Mahabharata war and the people of those times who had achieved the victory. In the days of Mahabharata, the war was confined to the battlefield and that too during the daytime only. After the sunset, the battle for the day was over. Children and women were spread. In the modern warfare, the whole country becomes the battlefield because of planes dropping bombs everywhere. The five elements, the earth, water, light, air and space are polluted and people suffer long after the war is over. Chemical and biological wars are the new additions. The various weapons and missiles used in the war were very dangerous. The pollutants that came out from them polluted everything in the world. The air, soil, water and living beings were badly affected by them. Arjun thought over the polluted water and then thinking about the accepted truth returned to heaven. The result of war, victory or defeat becomes secondary. Arjun himself experiences the difference of war coming on the earth. The talk between Arjun and the imaginary man is centered round the worst result of war. The animals and the other living beings also cannot escape from it. The moral of the story or this lesson is to avoid war. With this, we have come to the end of this chapter. I hope you understand our chapter. And until we meet for the next session, stay home, stay safe, keep learning, and thank you for watching.